Alright, so today we're going to move on from the flooring and we'll start skimming these walls to get ready to do some trim work in here in the kitchen. So, let's get started. Alright, so I got everything cleaned out of this cabinet. I'm going to get set up and get some tools so I can drill holes to run the dishwasher line. So I need to run a line for the drain and I need to run a line for the water line. The water line probably will be like a 3/4 inch hole will work. The drain line, I've got a 2-inch hole bit. That's going to be well more than it needs, but I want to give it some room to breathe. So we'll get the tools set up, we'll run those lines, and then we'll be able to set the dishwasher back in place. Forgot to turn the camera on, but I drilled the 2-inch hole, and I think I can get both hoses through the same hole. So we'll try that. That's live. Just going to run a short cycle and make sure everything is looking good and no leaks. It seems good so far. Alright, I like this, so now I'm just going to go ahead and set it in place, and to attach it, I'm actually going to use PL glue. And I'll glue under those tabs, and it'll basically glue the tab to the granite, because this type of dishwasher you can't put holes through the side of the tub, so there's no way to attach it. So I'm going to switch gears and start knocking out all the trim that's remaining in the kitchen. I'm going to start by doing all the scribe on the cabinets. Then I'm going to knock out this windowsill. I had to take that off because the drawer hit it. So I'm just going to modify that. And then I got this little thin piece of lattice, and I'll use that as kind of a skirt effect. And I've got the toe kick. This one piece of casing on this door. And I've got some of this kind of pre-finished quarter round. It's kind of a gimmick, but it blends well with the super paint from Sherwin-Williams, so it lets you do a one-shot. Basically, you just got to touch the nail holes. Everything else throughout the house, I'll do regular, unpainted, and the customer's going to paint it. So at least it'll be easier to match, and it'll only be a one coat under the toe kick area. And then I just got this Pro Pack. I'm sure people will recognize this just for the price. And most of the rooms in here are 12 foot, so it'll work out well. All right, let's get started on the trim. Oh, holy crap. These are all cut too long. I'm going to go and manually mark them, and then I'll recut them. That way I know they are perfect. just wanted this drawer to open, and it opened, so I'm happy with it. So we've reached the end of the kitchen project. I hope you enjoyed watching me go through all the steps from removal to reinstalling, even doing some of the floor work and the tile work, and the trim and some of the finish painting. Even though I didn't do the painting, I did all the trim work and some of the finishing touches. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, maybe give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Consider subscribing to my channel. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.